It seems there are those who see no real conflict between science and religion. Well, strangely, it does seem that there are a certain number of scientists who can study geology and nuclear physics Monday through Friday, and then on Sunday, suddenly they believe that the universe was flossed out of the teeth of the great Flanduzel on the second Sunday before Lent in 643 BC. I find these people kind of scary. I mean, it's kind of like undiagnosed multiple personality schizoids or something. I mean, if you've got a real contradiction sitting in front of you, I think you got to pick. Now, it's hard to say pick religion. I mean, there are many different religions and they all say something different. And of course, as religious people are often pointing out, scientists have lots of disagreements too. The real question is, when resolving those differences, how do they comport themselves? Let's take a look at a couple of scientists.
Hi-ho!
Well, hello there.
Guess what?
I cannot guess.
I've discovered a new means of producing energy for the whole world.
Well, that would be very good if it worked.
It's completely stable and it fits in this glass.
Well, my goodness. However, according to my calculations, it will be totally volatile and therefore totally useless.
Pish-tosh. I predict it will work.
Well, that calls for an experiment. Why don't we crank it up to full power and see what happens?
All right. I'll turn it on.
Excuse me, but maybe if you're going to crank it up to full power, a little farther away.
No need. But to satisfy your timorous nature,
Okay, crank it
now
up.
I'll
Crank her up.
turn it up to maximum.
Yay! Oh. Holy mackerel.
You were right.
Well, no matter, I always wanted a window there.
And your neighbors did too, I hope.
I certainly hope so, but I'm especially pleased that I proved my point.
You certainly did. Thank you for your insightful comments.
Thank you for bringing your experiment to my notice. Would you care for some tea?
I don't mind if I do.
And now, let's take a look at a couple of religious guys. According to our beliefs, we are ruled by the great god Proto-Funiculum, and those who do not regularly perform the ritual of Gucci Spumoni are condemned to eternal itchiness in the ragweed pits of Hagamorphium. Whereas my faith tells me that we must follow the holy prophet, he who cannot be named, and achieve the balance of holy Schenectady, or be expelled from the eternal sphincter. Oh, he who cannot be named. You mean the great prophet Mesodorcus? Blasphemous worm, you have named the nameless name. I will skewer you with a holy scepter. Well, just for that, I condemn you to the eternal hellfires of Sagamorphous. Better manners, greater decorum. That's just one reason why I prefer science to religion.